Hey everybody, this is me, Ken, and uh, in this video, we're going to um, uh, go over. This is a tutorial on how to use the DDBot assist compose function in the DuranDuranbot application. So once you boot DuranDuranbot, it loads to this page, and then you click on DDBot assist compose, and it brings you to this page. So what this does is it allows you to compose music. It allows you to compose music with the help of DuranDuranbot. So, and it utilizes its machine learning data to do so. Right now, this program, it doesn't have much machine learning data at all. So, yeah, just saying that. It's not trained. That's what that means. So it's not attuned to any kind of preferences of anyone. So yeah. So and sorry for the zoom, the blurriness of this page. My my video capturing program zooms in into this page. Normally, this page that we're looking at is like half the size of the full screen. So yeah, it zooms in. Yeah, so if you want to compose a piece with the help of DuranDuranbot, so yeah, so I'd also like to say that this function is this page is the assist composition function thing. It's pretty basic at the moment. It really just does the most kind of basic things. Yeah, so I mean this is kind of new, this program thing. I just added it, so yeah. Yeah, at this point in time, I'm probably going to add more stuff onto it, uh, expand stuff. Okay, so if you want to compose a piece, you create parts. So we'll create 6 parts, and they're basically sections of audio, sections of composition of mini compositions, I guess, by DuranDuranbot. That's what they're designated for. Right now, they have nothing in them. So if you want to create a section of audio that you want to use, I guess like a part of a song, you click on one of the parts and then you hit Generate New. And then if you want to create another part, if you want to overwrite that part with a new part, you hit it again. That was kind of long. And then we'll hit it again. And then if you want to undo that, basically what that means, undo generate new. So what that means is you basically go back to the last section of audio that was before the current one you have. So I'll stop this. And then yeah, and then if you hit it again, you'll go back to the one that you just had before. And then if you hit it another time, it goes back to the one you just had before that. I mean, so yeah, well, yeah. So just listen. Yeah, yeah, so that's how that works. And yeah, so okay, so yeah, if you want to play it, you just click on it, click on the part. You just click on the part, and you could stop it by clicking stop. And then to create another part, you click on an empty part, or you can click on a non-empty part. But yeah, so for the next section, the next part, if it's empty, you just click it and then hit generate new again. And yeah, so now you have two different parts. Let's hear them. Okay, and then you have other functions. You have duplicate functions. Duplicate. So it's basically what this is if you want to duplicate a part. So let's say we want to duplicate part 1 into part 3. So what we do is we'd hit set duplicate, click on part 1, and then click on the part that you want to duplicate part 1 into. You always click on the first button you click is the part you want to duplicate. So we want to duplicate into 3, and then we hit duplicate. So now 3 is the same as 1. Yeah, and then we'll do that the same with 2 and 4. We want to duplicate 2 into 4. Yeah, so now you have a kind of pattern thing going on with these 4 sections. And now if you want to unduplicate, meaning go back to the original state that a part was before you duplicated, you hit set duplicate and click the parts that you want to undo the duplicate. And then you hit unduplicate, like what I just did. It throws an error. Never mind. You can't see the error screen. You can't see the error window because yeah, that's just how this video captures this video program is working. Anyway, but yeah, that's not really a big deal though. So yeah, so you just undid the duplicate, and if you want to redo the duplicate, yeah, so see. Oh wait, hold on a second. Okay, well, that should have undid the duplicate. Maybe. All right. Well, whatever. I'll fix that. So yeah. So that's how it works at the moment. Let me see. Hold on a second. Okay, yeah, that doesn't. The undo duplicate doesn't work at the moment for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, actually, I don't know. Never mind. It'll work when you use it. If you use it. Okay, so yeah. Uh, so that's how you do that, and then we have the delete parts. So let's say you want to delete the part. So yeah, you want to delete one of the parts. So you hit set delete parts, and let's see. So yeah, what I just did was I hit select delete parts, then click the parts I want to delete, then delete parts. So I click on them and they're deleted. And if you want to undo delete parts, you hit set delete parts again, and then you click the parts you want to undo, delete, and you click undo delete parts. So yeah, that's the basic functionality of it. So yeah, so you have 4 parts, and it kind of goes in the 1-2, 1-2 pattern. Yeah, and so yeah, and then you could save it if you want by clicking this, and then load load a project if you want, and new project. It'll basically just delete everything and save this current project. And then you have this load piece to main page. So once your song is finished, or if you want to play the entire song, meaning all of the parts that you made in its entirety, you just simply click load piece to main page. And so we loaded all these 4 parts as one song into this main page, and you hit play piece. And so this is going to play all of the parts connected together, like blended, melded together, I guess. So here it is. Yeah. So and then if you want to use this piece to train it, to train DuranDuranbot, you could hit rate and for any 7 seconds period. Yeah. So that's how you train it. Just figure I'd add that in there. Yeah. So so this is the basic functionality of it. I think this is a pretty cool program. I don't know. I mean, I think it has a lot of potential. So yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah. So yeah. Anyway, I hope it wasn't too complicated. All right. Thanks. Bye.